iOS 27 will be the next important update from Apple. Instead of bringing a lot of brand new features or major design changes, Apple is focusing more on improving overall quality and performance with this version of iOS. In this video, we will discuss some of the top upcoming features of iOS 27. The first one is Apple Health Plus. Apple is working on an AI-powered health assistant that will be introduced as Apple Health Plus. It will work like the existing health app, but with additional features such as coaching, food logging, educational videos, and much more, all of which will be powered by AI. There are also reports suggesting that Apple Fitness Plus might be combined with Apple Health Plus to create a more unified experience. Next up, Apple is gearing up to launch its next foldable iPhone, and for that, they are working on some serious multitasking features. Because what else is the benefit of a foldable iPhone over an existing one? It is mainly about providing more screen estate and a better multitasking experience. For this reason, iOS 27 will be equipped with improved gestures and multitasking shortcuts that will significantly enhance productivity. Unfortunately, Apple will not bring these multitasking features to existing iPhones, as they will be limited only to the foldable iPhone. Then, expect some serious visual redesign for Siri. Apple's voice assistant has been lagging quite far behind when compared to the competition, but this time Apple is working hard to fix that. Siri will become much smarter, and along with that, it will receive a visual overhaul. You can also expect some new features that Siri will bring with iOS 27. According to Bloomberg, Apple is also working on an AI-powered web search tool for iOS 27. This could be a dedicated app, or it might be introduced as a toggle within iOS 27, or Apple may integrate it more deeply with Spotlight Search. Then, expect some improvement in the Photos app, most likely focused on the Collections tab. Apple may introduce a better way to organize photos, but do not expect any drastic changes to the Photos app overall. A new pairing system for AirPods will also be added. So far, it is unclear how exactly Apple will change this system, but we should get more clarity once additional leaks and rumors start pointing toward it. Finally, the Calendar app will receive a slight revamp. According to Mark Gurman, this update was originally planned to be released last year with iOS 26, but due to delays, it has now been pushed to 2026 with iOS 27. So, those were some of the leaks and rumors about the upcoming iOS 27 update. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments and I will catch you in the next one.